Did you know that some of the most powerful tools for preventing blood clots are probably already in your kitchen? Blood clots, often referred to as silent killers, can develop without warning and lead to life-threatening conditions like strokes, heart attacks, and deep vein thrombosis. But here's the surprising part. Certain fruits are packed with compounds that can naturally support blood circulation and help dissolve these clots. In this video, I'll introduce you to 6 fruits that are proven to support heart health and reduce clot formation. Stick around, and I'll show you how these everyday fruits can become powerful allies for your health. Blood clots are part of the body's natural healing process, typically forming to prevent excessive bleeding after an injury. However, they can become a silent threat when they form without cause inside blood vessels. These clots may obstruct blood flow, leading to serious conditions such as pulmonary embolism, which affects the lungs, or a stroke, which impacts the brain. Each year, an estimated 900,000 Americans experience complications related to blood clots, with many unaware of the risks until it's too late. Blood clots can even form from extended periods of sitting or inactivity, such as during long flights or car rides. The presence of blood clots also increases inflammation, which can aggravate existing conditions and make it even harder for blood to circulate properly. Fortunately, while medications like blood thinners can help, they're not the only solution. Research shows that certain fruits contain natural anticoagulant compounds that help break down clots and improve blood flow. When included in a balanced diet, these fruits can be a delicious and easy way to support circulatory health and reduce the risk of dangerous clotting events. Let's explore the first fruit on our list, a tropical favorite that might just surprise you with its powerful effects. Pineapple is not only a refreshing tropical fruit, but also a potent source of bromelain, an enzyme with powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-coagulant properties. Bromelain works by reducing the stickiness of blood cells, which helps prevent the formation of clots and assists in breaking down existing ones. Unlike synthetic blood thinners, bromelain supports circulation without the common side effects associated with medication. Some studies have shown that bromelain can be as effective as aspirin in preventing clot formation, but with the added benefit of being natural. Additionally, bromelain's anti-inflammatory properties make it especially beneficial for people prone to conditions like arthritis or inflammatory joint issues, which can increase clot risks. Pineapple's natural sweetness also makes it versatile. Enjoy it fresh, in a smoothie, or combined with other fruits for a nutritious snack. A simple recipe is to blend pineapple chunks with spinach, coconut water, and a few slices of ginger. This tropical drink provides not only a refreshing taste, but also a rich dose of bromelain to support heart health. By incorporating pineapple into your daily diet, you're adding a layer of defense against unwanted clot formation and enhancing your overall circulation naturally. Pomegranate is often referred to as the jewel of fruits, and with good reason. Its vibrant red seeds are packed with polyphenols and punicalagins, both of which play a vital role in preventing blood clot formation. These compounds work by reducing platelet aggregation, a process in which blood cells clump together, potentially leading to clot formation. In addition, pomegranate juice is known to boost nitric oxide levels, which helps to widen blood vessels, allowing for better circulation and reducing the strain on your heart. Beyond its clot-busting abilities, pomegranate has been shown to improve overall cardiovascular health. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice or seeds can help clear your arteries of plaque buildup, reducing the chances of artery blockages that could lead to heart attacks or strokes. Adding this fruit to your routine can be as simple as drinking a glass of pomegranate juice or sprinkling the seeds over your morning yogurt or salad. For a gourmet twist, try combining pomegranate seeds with spinach, goat cheese, and walnuts in a salad. This combination not only tastes amazing, but also offers an antioxidant boost to support heart health. Oranges are more than a tasty snack. They are a powerful natural remedy for supporting blood circulation. They are high in flavonoids, particularly hesperidin, which has been shown to enhance blood flow and reduce the tendency of platelets to clump, which can prevent blood clots. Oranges are also rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that not only supports immune function, but strengthens blood vessels, making them more flexible and resilient. The vitamin C in oranges helps your body produce collagen, a protein essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your veins and arteries. This can lower the risk of conditions like deep vein thrombosis, which is caused by blood clots forming in the legs due to prolonged immobility. Incorporating oranges into your daily diet is simple and refreshing. Enjoy a glass of fresh orange juice in the morning or add orange segments to your salad. The combination of vitamin C and hesperidin provides an excellent boost to heart health, keeping blood vessels flexible and supporting overall circulation. For those who enjoy variety, try using orange slices in savory dishes. A spinach salad with orange segments, walnuts, and a light vinaigrette is both delicious and packed with nutrients that aid in keeping blood clots at bay. Berries might be small, but they are incredibly potent when it comes to supporting heart health. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are rich in quercetin and anthocyanins, antioxidants that help improve blood circulation by preventing platelet aggregation. Platelet aggregation is when blood cells clump together, which can lead to clot formation. Regular consumption of berries has been shown to improve endothelial function, the health of blood vessels, reducing the risk of clots and supporting smooth blood flow. The high levels of antioxidants in berries also help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, which are often contributors to heart disease and clot formation. Adding berries to your daily diet is simple and versatile. Enjoy them as a topping on yogurt or oatmeal. Blend them into a smoothie or add them to a salad. Berries are also perfect for creating infused water. Just add a handful of fresh berries to your water bottle for a naturally sweet and refreshing drink. This easy habit not only satisfies your taste buds, but also supplies your body with nutrients that support vascular health, keeping blood vessels flexible and circulation strong. Grapefruit, with its tart flavor, is an excellent addition to any heart